smooth jazz lovers, it's the release of the new CD, Changing the Game, from the Ashton Gray Project. Changing the Game debuted at number 11 on iTunes Jazz Chart. Changing the Game features many special guests: CeCe Peniston, Charnel Allen, Tim Gordon, Chantel Williams, Gabriel Bella, Reggie Graves, and Robin Springer. The best smooth jazz CD of 2015. Changing the Game is now available at all digital retailers. Ashton Gray Project, Changing the Game. Jazz Source Magazine says, an awesome body of work. The Ashton Gray Project, Changing the Game. Learn more about the band at www.ashtongrayproject.com and support jazz music.